Welcome to Hustle Minds. I'm Sarai, and today we are going to talk about the 5-line sales page, how to sell your offer without a website. If you've been delaying sales because your perfect page isn't ready, this is your shortcut. 5 lines, 1 clear promise, 1 easy next step. That's it. And yes, it really works. All right, let's take it step by step. Line 1 is your hero line. Say, I help who get specific outcome without big headache. Keep it simple and concrete. For example, I help agency owners book 5 to 10 qualified calls a month without paid ads. Wait, let me repeat that because it's important. Clarity beats clever every time. Line 2 is the problem and the stakes. 1 sentence that names what's not working and why it matters. If your leads arrive in spikes, you're stuck in feast or famine and can't plan growth. Use the language your buyers use. If they say burnout or crickets, say that. Line 3 is the path in 3 steps. Show how you get results quickly. We clarify your message, publish a 3-post weekly cadence, and add soft CT. As that convert conversations into calls. 3 steps max. No jargon. Your reader should think, oh, I can picture that. Line 4 is proof. 1 data point or a short quote. In 28 days, Jade booked 9 calls and closed 5,000 MRR. Or, the calmest month I've ever had, Maya, brand designer. People believe what they can see, so keep it specific. Line 5 is the next step. 1 action, 1 link, 1 deadline if useful. Reply ready for details, or book your 10-minute clarity call here, or grab the starter sprint, 2 weeks, 3 sessions, X dollars. Remove everything else. Options feel nice, but they kill decisions. Okay, let me explain this part better. These 5 lines live anywhere. A Google Doc, a Notion page, your pinned post, your link in bio, even a long caption. The point is to remove friction. If someone asks, what do? You can send this in 10 seconds. Let's make it sell cleaner with 2 small upgrades. First, price by outcome, not hours. Anchor to what the result is worth, then choose a number that makes you show up fully and makes them pay attention. Second, add a confidence clause you can stand behind. If we miss milestone 1, I'll add an extra session. Honest, simple, no drama. Distribution matters. Turn the 5 lines into 3 assets this week. Post a teach version that explains your 3 steps. Post a proof version with a screenshot or mini case study. Post an invite version with the exact who, outcome, and link. Done. When someone engages, move from content to conversation with a friendly DM. Connect, context, call. Thanks for jumping into my post. Appreciate you. Are you focused on booking more calls right now, or is delivery capacity the bigger challenge? If helpful, I can send the 5-line template or we can do a 10-minute clarity call. No pressure. Short, kind, useful. And now it's time for a quick story so you can see it in a real case. Mila is a social media manager who kept rewriting her website. We shipped her 5 lines in a Google Doc and pinned it on Instagram and LinkedIn. She posted teach, proof, and invite across a week. In 10 days, she booked 6 calls and signed 2 retainers. Same skills, cleaner message, faster decisions. And now, let's go over the summary of the episode. Build your 5-line sales page, hero line, problem and stakes, path in 3 steps, proof, and a single next step. Price by outcome, add a simple confidence clause, and distribute with teach, proof, and invite posts. Use a friendly DM bridge to turn engagement into calls. Your single action for today. Open a blank doc and write your 5 lines in plain language. Paste them into your bio link and pin them to your top post before the day ends. I'm Sarai, and this is Hustle Minds. Keep it clear, keep it kind, and keep going. Goodbye for now, until the next episode.